Hi friends, this is Harsh from Analyze India. Since a month or two, we are planning to launch a white labeled app. The app has finally been launched. The app is named as Nuresh Tech and is available on Android and iOS as well. We wanted to develop this app as we wanted to get closer to our readers and subscribers. A lot of people follow our work on our website www.nureshtech.co.in. We write our blog on the same website. The blog is communicated via email to our subscribers. However, in the day and age of mobile, uh, email subscription is an old way, and that is why we have come up with this app. So, as soon as we update a post, we just hit a notification and you can read the post as soon as it is available. We have a course known as Online Technical Analysis Program, which was based on WordPress and was hosted on a website www.analyzeindia.com. As soon as the subscriber used to purchase the course, we used to create a login ID and communicate it to the subscriber. Now, every time when the subscriber wanted to watch, it was necessary for him or her to log in on the website, and then only the course was accessible to them. Now, this app has come to our savior. Once you have subscribed to the course, you can monitor your progress easily, and you just need to log in once in the app and you can access the course right away on your mobile. We will start by going on Play Store. On the Play Store, we need to search for Nuresh Tech, NOORESH space TECH Tech. The first application with the red logo is our application. You need to install this application on your mobile. Click on the icon. Once you have clicked on the icon, the app needs a login. You can log in via your mobile number. Just put your mobile number. You will receive a OTP, and once you have put the OTP, your login is completed. Now let us see what all things are available on this application. Once you have logged into the application, you can see our online technical analysis video course listed. As soon as you click on the course, you will see all the listed courses right now, which is one. When you click on the online technical analysis course, this is the overview of the course. When you click on read more, you will get all the topics which are covered in the course. When you go to the content section, you will get all the topics of the videos, and there are two free videos which are available for this course. One is in the topic of introduction to technical analysis and one is available in the topic of sectoral analysis. As soon as you click on the free content, you will be able to play the free content. Rest all the content will be locked, as you can see from this image. If you need to buy the course, you can click on buy now. You have to select your state and proceed to payment. Now when you slide to this section, you will get the next part, which is technical analysis that works. This is a free ebook which Nuresh sir has written. Once you click on the free ebook, you will be redirected to the study material section. Study material section includes all the free stuff which we have put on the application. Now as you can see, this is the free ebook. Once you will click on this PDF, you will be able to download the PDF. This is the free ebook. The third thing on the slide is the insider trading report. This is a monthly report which will come out at the end of every month or at the beginning of the next month. It enlists all the insider trading which has happened in the last month. For the overview of the report, for what all is included in this report, you can view section. Right now we have added last 3 months report. So as soon as you subscribe to this report, you get access to the last 3 months of insider trading report. The fourth thing on the tab is Journey of a Trade series. Here we have compiled a bunch of YouTube videos. In the videos are the actual trades which we have taken based on technical analysis in our advisory services technical traders club. The video explains the practical application of the technical analysis concepts in real life trading. Once you click on journey of a trade, you will be redirected to the study material section. You need to click on the videos section and then access the videos from journey of a trade folder. Here you will get a compilation of 46 free videos which we have compiled. Next on the series is the weekend MBA course. Why do we call it as a weekend MBA? Is because there is a lot of reading material and YouTube videos which are compiled together. It is equivalent to an MBA. That's why the name. You can click on the course. You will be redirected to our website where you can access the compilation of 14 weeks together. Coming down, you can access the free videos which are part of our paid course. Here you will be able to access the 2 free videos. Coming further down, you will find any running coupon codes which are available for the purchase of any of the courses. Going further down, you will get access to all our courses. And further down, there are all the free videos which are available. To view it in a folder manner, you just need to click on view all. View all, you need to go to the videos tab. In the videos tab, there are 2 folders. One is journey of a trade and the other one is how to trade small caps using technical analysis. All the future free videos will be available on the videos tab and the study material tab. At the extreme bottom, you have got 4 things. One is home, one is store. In the store, you can see our paid courses. In the chat section, you can just click and chat with us. If you have any query or doubt, just ping us on this chat section. You can access our free post by just clicking on the menu button. Once you have clicked on the menu button, just go to the study material tab. In the study material tab, the first tab is the Nuresh Tech blog. This is where we will put our blog post in a PDF format. The next thing is a daily chart. Whatever chart seems interesting, we will put on this section, which is known as daily chart. All the other free stuff which will be posted by us will be available on the study material tab. Thank you. This was it as far as the app is concerned. Uh, Please do download the app from the Play Store in the App Store and do let us know any courses which you look forward to from our side. Thank you.